It seemed a little ridiculous at the time, particularly in light of the fact that we were aspiring to be real warriors, tough battle, hardened seals. But the wisdom of this simple act has been proven to me many times over. If you made your bed every morning, you will have accomplished the first task of the day. It will give you a small sense of pride, and it will encourage you to do another task, and another, and another. And by the end of the day, that one task completed will have turned into many tasks completed. Making your bed will also reinforce the fact that the little things in life matter. If you can't do the little things right, you'll never be able to do the big things right. And if by chance have a miserable day, you will come home to a bed that is made, that you made. A you-made bed gives you encouragement that tomorrow will be better. So if you want to change the world, start off by making your bed. You will fail. You will likely fail often. It will be painful. It will be discouraging. At times it will test you to your very core. But if you want to change the world, don't be afraid of the giants that challenge you. If you want to change the world, sometimes you have to slide down the obstacles head first. You must be your very best in the darkest moments.